In a world that constantly demands your attention, your reaction, and your emotional energy, there exists a quiet power that very few people truly understand. The power of ignoring. You are surrounded by noise every single day. Opinions, judgments, distractions, negativity, expectations, and endless comparisons. Everywhere you look, something is trying to pull you in, to make you react, to make you care. And without realizing it, most people give in. They respond to every criticism. They chase every distraction. They carry every insult. They try to prove themselves to everyone. And in doing so, they lose the one thing that matters most, their peace. But what if you could step out of that cycle? What if you could choose consciously and deliberately what deserves your attention and what does not? What if ignoring was not weakness, but one of the highest forms of strength? Today, we are diving deep into a Stoic principle that can completely transform your life. The art of ignoring. Not careless avoidance, but intentional detachment. Not fear, but discipline. By the end of this video, you will see ignoring in a completely different light. You will understand how it can protect your energy, sharpen your focus, and give you a level of control that most people never achieve. Let's begin. The illusion that everything matters. From the moment we are born, we are trained to care about everything. We are taught to seek approval, to avoid criticism, to respond when spoken to defend ourselves when challenged. Society conditions us to believe that every opinion matters, that every comment deserves a reaction, that every situation requires our involvement. But this belief is one of the biggest sources of unnecessary suffering. The truth is, most things do not matter. Not every comment needs a reply. Not every opinion holds value. Not every situation deserves your time. Yet we live as if they do. You hear a negative remark and it stays in your mind for hours, sometimes days. You replay it, analyze it, and let it affect your mood. You see someone succeeding, and suddenly you feel behind, even if your path is completely different. You scroll through endless content, reacting to things that have nothing to do with your life, draining your focus and energy. This is not because the world is overwhelming. It is because you are trying to give importance to everything. Stoic philosophy teaches a powerful truth. The moment you stop treating everything as important is the moment you begin to feel free. Because when everything matters, your mind becomes crowded. But when you choose what matters, your mind becomes clear. Ignoring is the filter that creates that clarity. Why ignoring is a form of strength. Many people misunderstand ignoring. They think ignoring means you are weak. They think it means you are avoiding confrontation or lacking courage. They believe that if you do not respond, you are somehow losing. But the reality is the opposite. Ignoring is not weakness, it is discipline. It takes far more strength to remain calm than to react impulsively. It takes far more control to stay silent than to argue. It takes far more awareness to walk away than to engage in every situation. When you ignore something intentionally, you are making a powerful statement. You are saying that your time is valuable. You are saying that your energy is limited. You are saying that not everything deserves access to your mind. Most people react automatically. They are controlled by their emotions, their ego, and their need to prove themselves. But a Stoic understands something deeper. You do not need to attend every argument you are invited to. You do not need to respond to every opinion about you. You do not need to prove your worth to anyone. True strength is not in reacting to everything. It is in choosing when not to react at all. The cost of paying attention to everything. Every time you give your attention to something, you are paying a price. Attention is not free. It costs your time, your focus, your emotional energy. When you engage with negativity, it drains you. When you chase distractions, it weakens your discipline. When you focus on things outside your control, it creates stress. Most people are exhausted not because life is too hard, but because they are paying attention to too many things that do not matter. They argue with strangers. They worry about opinions. They compare themselves endlessly. They get distracted by everything around them, and then they wonder why they feel overwhelmed. The Stoic approach is simple but powerful. If something does not serve your growth, your peace, or your purpose, it does not deserve your attention. Ignoring is not about rejecting the world. It is about protecting your energy. Because once your energy is scattered, your focus disappears. And once your focus disappears, your progress slows down. Ignoring is how you take your energy back. Ignoring as emotional control. One of the greatest benefits of ignoring is emotional stability. Most emotional pain does not come from events themselves. It comes from how we react to them. Someone insults you. The words themselves are just sounds, but your reaction gives them power. Someone criticizes you. The criticism is just an opinion, but your attachment to it creates discomfort. Someone ignores you. The situation is neutral, but your interpretation creates insecurity. When you learn to ignore what does not matter, you stop feeding your emotions unnecessarily. You create distance between yourself and external events. You begin to understand that not everything deserves an emotional response. This does not mean you become cold or indifferent to everything. It means you become selective. You respond to what matters. You ignore what does not. And in doing so, you gain control over your inner world. Ignoring negative people. Not everyone deserves a place in your life. Some people bring negativity, criticism, drama, and unnecessary conflict. They drain your energy and disturb your peace. Trying to change them is often a waste of time. Arguing with them is even worse. The Stoic solution is simple. Ignore. Not with anger, not with resentment, but with calm detachment. You do not need to prove them wrong. You do not need to win every argument. You do not need to engage in their negativity. By ignoring them, you remove their power over you. You protect your peace without creating more conflict. And most importantly, you free yourself from unnecessary emotional burden. Ignoring distractions. We live in a world designed to distract you. Notifications, social media, endless content, constant updates. Everything is competing for your attention. If you do not learn to ignore distractions, you will never be able to focus deeply. And without focus, you cannot build anything meaningful. Ignoring distractions is not about discipline alone. It is about clarity. When you know what matters, everything else becomes easier to ignore. You stop chasing every new trend. You stop reacting to every notification. You stop wasting time on things that do not move your life forward. And suddenly you have time. Time to think. Time to create. Time to grow. Ignoring is what creates that space. Ignoring what you cannot control. One of the core ideas of Stoicism is understanding what is within your control and what is not. Your actions, your thoughts, your decisions are within your control. Other people's opinions, actions, and outcomes are not. Yet most people spend their energy worrying about things they cannot control. They stress over how others perceive them. They worry about outcomes they cannot guarantee. They get frustrated by situations beyond their influence. Ignoring what you cannot control is not denial. It is wisdom. It is accepting reality and choosing not to waste energy on what you cannot change. When you do this, your mind becomes lighter. You stop carrying unnecessary stress, and you begin to focus on what truly matters. Ignoring the need for validation. One of the biggest traps in modern life is the need for validation. People want to be liked, approved, and recognized. They shape their actions based on how others might react. They measure their worth based on external feedback. This creates a constant dependency. But Stoic philosophy offers a different path. Ignore the need for validation. Do what is right, not what is popular. Act with integrity, not for approval. Build your self-worth from within, not from others. When you stop seeking validation, you become free. Free from expectations, free from comparison, free from the pressure to impress. And in that freedom, you find true confidence. Ignoring your own negative thoughts. Sometimes the most important thing to ignore is not outside of you, but within you. Your mind can produce doubts, fears, insecurities, and negative thoughts. Not all of them are true. Not all of them deserve attention. If you attach yourself to every negative thought, you create unnecessary suffering. But if you learn to observe them without engaging, they lose their power. Ignoring your negative thoughts does not mean suppressing them. It means not identifying with them. It means recognizing that a thought is just a thought, not a fact. And in that awareness, you gain control. The balance of ignoring. Ignoring is powerful, but it must be used wisely. Not everything should be ignored. Responsibilities should not be ignored. Important relationships should not be ignored. Growth opportunities should not be ignored. The key is discernment, knowing what deserves your attention and what does not. This requires self-awareness, it requires honesty, and it requires practice. But once you develop this skill, your life changes. You become calmer, you become more focused, you become more intentional. The power of ignoring is not about disconnecting from life. It is about choosing how you engage with it. It is about protecting your energy, your focus, and your peace. In a world full of noise, ignoring is your filter. In a world full of distractions, ignoring is your discipline. In a world full of opinions, ignoring is your freedom. You do not need to react to everything. You do not need to carry everything. You do not need to care about everything. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is simply ignore. And in that silence, you will find clarity. In that clarity, you will find control. And in that control, you will find peace. If this message resonated with you, take a moment to reflect. What in your life deserves less attention? What can you start ignoring today? Because your peace depends on it. Thank you for watching.